Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And both these levels still definitely do pertain to the chart. The first level to just kind of quickly go over again is up there at that $3 mark, which again will mean a little bit more to those of you that if you watch the past analysis videos I've done. But if you haven't, been talking about $3 as that key level, and you can see that even going back to Monday, once again $3 rejected the price, and this morning got somewhat close, but I guess not really. But point here being $3 remains that initial and key overarching level of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, that is where the chart gets a lot more interesting, because as of right now, the price is essentially sitting right here at that green line at 265, which is what I've talked about in previous videos. And so far, so good. I get it, the price is, fluctuating, but it's much better to see the price, at least fluctuating back and forth rather than having the price come down there and then just continued on down. So far, like I said, it's acting the way you would want to see it act. But the big question now going forward is, is there a breakdown on the horizon? Is this just a temporary pause before there's that much more pressure to the downside? Like I said, that's the question. A chart's not a crystal ball, won't tell you that. But what it is telling us is that there's going to be a lot of people on high alert wondering if, this is the start of a much bigger breakdown of the sideways channel that had been, so far, holding strong. Now, in the event this is the start of something bigger, the next level of support that you would want to keep an eye on would be down here at that level at $2.50. And then $2.50 is important, because if the price were to go down to $2.50, at that point, next level of support, not until all the way down there. So I'm not saying that the price would automatically drop down there. My point is that there just simply isn't any other areas of support after that $2.50 mark. So that is certainly a very important level going forward. So we'll see what happens with this one. But yeah, things are definitely looking shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.